Hello, this is Health Info Channel. Today, we're going to share everything you need to know about carrots. Do you like carrots? I've been paying more attention to my health lately, and carrots have become one of the vegetables I eat most often, and that's because of the incredible health benefits of their nutrients. However, many people are not eating carrots correctly and fail to absorb their nutrients properly. So, today we will cover three main topics first: the surprising health benefits of carrots you may not have known about. Second, how to eat carrots most effectively. And third, recipes to ensure you absorb 100% of their nutrients. Please watch this video until the end to discover how carrots can help you, what to be cautious about, and everything you need to know about this amazing vegetable. The 6 surprising benefits of carrots. 1. Cancer prevention. The natural carotenoid compound in carrots is a powerful ingredient that helps prevent various cancers, including colon, lung, esophageal, breast, stomach, and prostate cancer. It does this by removing active oxygen, which promotes aging, and by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. According to the American Cancer Research Association, consuming non-starchy vegetables and fruits like carrots can reduce the risk of digestive system cancers. In particular, carrots have such excellent antioxidant properties that a remarkable study found that consistent carrot consumption can reduce the risk of lung cancer by 63%. Furthermore, the Department of Food and Nutrition at a renowned university has revealed that the beta-carotene in carrots can lower the survival rate of lung cancer cells and help remove waste products from the lungs. Among foods that prevent lung cancer like sweet potatoes, spinach, and carrots, it contains the most beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant. What's even more surprising is that taking beta-carotene in the form of supplements, like a multivitamin, can actually increase the risk of lung cancer. A 1996 clinical trial involving 18,000 Americans found that those who took beta-carotene supplements had a 28% higher incidence of lung cancer, which was a shocking discovery. Since cancers like colon, lung, and breast cancer are a growing concern in the world, why not try consuming natural carrots instead of artificial supplements? 2. Improved eye health. As we get older, our vision can become blurry and severe. Dry eyes can be very bothersome. But if you eat carrots regularly, you can see a significant improvement in your eye health. Carrots contain up to 7 times the daily recommended intake of beta-carotene, set by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. Once inside the body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. It's known to be very effective in preventing age-related cataracts and macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness among the elderly. So, if you suffer from severe dry eyes, try eating carrots daily instead of using artificial tears. They are highly effective at keeping the mucous membrane on the surface of your eyes moist, helping you maintain good eye health. 3. Skin rejuvenation. Carrots help to flush out toxins and prevent skin aging. They play a special role in protecting the epithelial layer of the skin, giving you a smooth, glowing complexion with a rejuvenating effect. According to the USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging, a study found that consuming carrots consistently for 14 days helped protect the skin from sun damage and had a whitening effect. The vitamin C in carrots is also great for forming skin collagen and preventing wrinkles. 4. Heart health and dementia prevention. Carrots are rich in potassium and a compound called carotenoid, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain healthy cardiovascular function. A remarkable 8-year study by Harvard University involving 90,000 female nurses found that those who ate carrots daily had a staggering 70% lower risk of stroke. In addition, a study conducted by the University of Southern California School of Medicine revealed that ferulic acid, a compound found in carrots, is very effective at restoring memory loss, which is a symptom of Alzheimer's dementia. 5. Constipation relief. Many women suffer from constipation, but eating just 1 carrot a day can be highly effective. This is because carrots are rich in dietary fiber and compounds that activate bifidobacteria. Carrots not only help with constipation, but also improve overall bowel issues. 6. Weight loss. Carrots are low in calories and high in dietary fiber, making them an excellent food for weight loss. The fiber promotes gut health and provides a long-lasting feeling of fullness, which is very helpful for those on a diet. How to eat carrots to get 100% of the nutrients. Now let's talk about the 4 ways to properly eat carrots to maximize their benefits. 1. Prepare carrots right before eating. Beta-carotene in carrots is a fat-soluble compound that doesn't easily dissolve in water. If you slice carrots in advance, the beta-carotene can oxidize, which reduces its absorption rate. It's best to prepare them right before you eat them. 2. Eat them with the skin on. Just like with apples, the skin of carrots contains a lot of antioxidants. For this reason, it's very important to buy organic, unpeeled carrots and wash them thoroughly before eating them with the skin on. Carrot skin contains 2.5 times more beta-carotene than the flesh, so be sure to eat the entire thing. 3. Boil them. When eaten raw, the absorption rate of beta-carotene from carrots is only about 8%. However, when you cook carrots, the fiber softens, which not only makes them easier to digest, but also increases the beta-carotene absorption rate to 70%. 4. Cook them with oil. Cooking carrots in oil is even better than boiling them. Since beta-carotene is a fat-soluble vitamin that dissolves in oil, consuming carrots with oil can boost the absorption rate to an incredible 80%. We highly recommend stir-frying them with a high-quality oil. A 100% absorption recipes. For a very long time, hospitals that practice natural healing have used specific carrot recipes. For example, Mayo Clinic, a leading hospital in the US, and the Bena Clinic in Switzerland, give their patients carrot and apple juice in the morning. When you blend carrots and apples together, the nutritional synergy is enhanced, so we recommend you try it. A word of caution if you have a weak digestive system or poor gut health, instead of drinking raw carrot juice, try blending 1 boiled carrot, 1 apple, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 200 milliliters of water. This makes it easier to digest and gentler on your stomach. You can also get great results by adding tomatoes instead of apples. After washing the tomatoes, steam them with the carrots for about 3 minutes, then blend with water and olive oil. You can also mix in other ingredients like cabbage, sweet potato, chives, or blueberries to your liking, which prevents you from getting tired of the same flavor and creates a great nutritional synergy. One important caution: there are some foods that don't mix well with carrots. Carrots contain a significant amount of the enzyme ascorbinase, which destroys vitamin C. Be careful not to mix carrots with vegetables like cucumbers or radishes, as this can destroy their vitamin C. What did you think? It's clear that carrots show their incredible effects, only when consumed as a whole food. Artificial supplements are just an aid and cannot replace natural vegetables, which are the safest and healthiest foods. We hope you'll apply the information we shared today to your life. Eat delicious carrots and stay healthy. If this video was helpful, please share it with your loved ones. By subscribing and turning on notifications, you'll receive more useful health information in the future. We'll be back with healthy and helpful content. Have a happy and healthy day. Thank you.